Hello and welcome to my channel. This is ITMASTER-TECHNEWS channel. Today we will do the quick unboxing of the Mi Band 4. This is just released in China. It came different colors: wine red, deep blue, black, and other color is, if I am not wrong, yeah, it's orange. Actually, they changed the design of the box from the previous versions before the Mi Band 4. We had some kind of round, not the round, but the box like the smartwatches have, that with the corners. And this one is more like the long box. So let's see what it is. It is all in Chinese. I got it from the direct China Xiaomi market in Ningbo. It cost me 169 yuan, which is approximately $25 US. This one is the standard basic edition, because they have another one with the NFC, and it costs more. It's like something like $50 US. But this is completely redesigned device. It has a color OLED display. Previous models has that monochrome display, and this one is coming already in deep blue color. Let's open it and see what's inside. After that I will use it for a week, and then we'll come with the full review, what I like and what I don't like for this one. But believe me, you are getting in the same price completely redesigned device compared with the older models. So there is nothing inside in the box. Let's throw this here. Here is also nothing. And this is the device itself, and here we have charging cradle, charging dock, how would you say it. And this one is redesigned as well, because the old one was the half cut it here. If you own the old one, Redmi Mi Band 2, 3 or 1, you know how the procedure. So it came the USB, but there is no charger. It can be used for any other phone chargers. And for the charging, you should remove the device and put it here. Let's see. It is sealed. Okay. Okay. Nice. Actually, it feels very nice. The quality of the rubber for the band is actually very soft. Let's open it. And I like the deep blue color. And compared with all devices, there is a thing that was changed here. This is the touch area. It has a round place instead of the pin was there. Now it's around, you touch it here, and as you can see, there is a screen. This much is the screen. I don't know how it's visible on the camera, but yes, but you can see that screen ends here, the color screen. The back side is covering the heart rate monitor, and this device has the upgraded heart rate monitor as they promising us, so it will have a good monitoring of your heart rate, and has the sleep monitor so as well. And this one is not connecting because I think it doesn't have the charge inside, so we need to take out it and put the charger, and then I will come back. Let me do the small charging for this device and then come back to see the screen quality. So we should remove the gray. This is from the band. Actually, I even forget how to this is happened, but this is something like this. Okay, yeah, this is how you remove it. And to tell another thing, if you own the Mi Band 3 straps, you can use for them, because the shape is not changed. Actually, the screen and the just little this touch part is changed, but for the band part you can use it. So let's put it, and these two points are for connecting here to the charger. So we do this way. Okay, yeah, it has a small things here to hold and not drop the when you do your charging. Okay, let's I will come back very quick. Wait for me. So we are back. We got a little charge. If you can see, it's saying something in Chinese. Let's move it from the charging cradle and put it back real quick. Let me check. It's I think it should be this way, and we will connect it to the Redmi K20. Yeah, it should be, if it's going, yes, this is the way, because okay, we put it back. It's holding very well, and yes, that's okay, so it will not drop off. And I forget to show you, in the box we have this leaflet all in Chinese, how to connect the device with the phone, but everything is in Chinese, so there is no need to use this, because everyone knows how to do that. This is not something new. Okay, let's move on and download the Mi Fit application. We should go to the Play Market and the App Store for the iPhone to see this Mi Fit application and hit the install. It is 73.60 megabytes. Let it to be downloaded, and then we will use the Redmi K20 with global firmware already on it to connect with the Mi Fit device. Actually, I used to have a Mi Band 3, but I really don't remember how I was connecting that to the Mi Fit, but I think you push here and it will, this is the connecting mode. I think we should turn on the Bluetooth. Let's do the turn on Bluetooth, available devices. What's this? Yeah, Mi Smart Band 4. Okay, it's seeing, but after we will have the application downloaded, we can see how it will go. We are nearly done. Okay, installing, and we will have the application soon. Application shortcut to our desktop. Yeah, installing Mi Fit still is in the process. Yeah, successfully installed. Open. Sign in. We can sign in here using our Mi account. In my case, I have a Mi account, but if you don't, there is other ways to sign in there. But let's see if it will get from the phone. Yeah, it's get it from the phone. Sign in. Let me see if it will ask the password or it will take it from the phone, because I already Yeah, it's signed in. So we opened the Mi Fit. Actually, we downloaded the Mi Fit. It's here. So we should hit the plus button, then what we are connecting actually. If it's a band, okay, hit the band. After you pair the device, following will be collected. Activity slip, okay. And keep the band to your phone, close your phone. We keep it here. Now somehow it's not connecting. Okay, it's connected. You should hit the confirm. Yes, it's pairing. Okay, it's activated, but everything is in Chinese. Activate. Okay, it says that you have a Mi Band 3 on your account. So it is now activating Mi Smart Band 4. So my old device still was there. So it is activating. Let's see what we have here more. So there is a English because I think the device couldn't connect, use any data lost. Okay, activated this device, you see, okay, and restoring band settings. So it is all in English, as you can see here, because phone menu was English, so it turned automatically to English. So there is a settings, lock screen, brightness, factory reset, about. If we hit here, it will go back. This button is going back. It shows already in English, the step counter. And we have a music player in this version because the old one don't have this function. This is something new from the Mi Band 4. You can control your music from your device. And there is a Alipay as well, which is for China. And here is the notifications, no notifications. So weather, it's Yerevan, it's my current location. It's working good. Workout, which is not set, heart rate not set, and status, steps, distance, calories, idle alerts. So that's it, guys. This is a quick review of the device. I will come back to you after a week of usage and will share my opinion for this device. Stay well, stay cool, hit the subscribe button, like button, share my videos, and help me to reach 1000 subscribers. Thank you for everything. Thank you for watching videos. Thank you for sharing it and just following my channel. Stay well, stay cool. Bye bye. See you in the next video.